Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You've got the essentials. Now begin. First, unlock your iPhone and make sure iOS is up to date, because firmware mismatches stop CarPlay cold. Once done, plug the certified Lightning cable into the adapter, then into the phone. Insert the adapter into the vehicle USB marked CarPlay or media. You may see a prompt on the dash and on your phone, accept permissions. Make sure Bluetooth is off if the adapter requires wired mode. This avoids pairing conflicts and speeds detection. Once the adapter is detected, follow the prompts on both screens. You must allow CarPlay and enable Siri so voice controls work. You'll often need to grant contacts, calendars, and location permissions. This lets maps and messaging function correctly. If the adapter offers a firmware update through its app, install it now, because updates fix stability and compatibility. Make sure to arrange favorite apps in settings under CarPlay so your most used apps appear first. This reduces distraction when you drive. You're almost done. Test audio playback, run a quick navigation route, and place a call so you confirm both sound and microphone routing. If anything fails, first unplug and replug the adapter, then cycle the ignition or accessory power. Next, restart your iPhone. Simple reboots often clear transient handshakes. If issues persist, reset CarPlay via settings, update adapter firmware, and try another certified cable. One key tip: a non-certified cable or loose connector is the most common problem. Swap the cable and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.